Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience using Paragon Bank. Paragon Bank, found at www.paragonbank.co.uk, isn't your average high street institution. Instead of catering to everyday consumers, it focuses on specialized lending and savings products designed for businesses and individuals with specific financial needs. They operate primarily online, which often translates to competitive interest rates and streamlined processes. Their website provides a comprehensive overview of their offerings, which include various buy-to-let mortgages, development finance, and savings accounts for businesses and individuals. Navigating the site is relatively straightforward, with clear sections dedicated to each product category. You can typically find detailed information about each offering, including eligibility criteria, interest rates, and associated fees. While they may not offer the breadth of services found in larger retail banks, their specialized focus allows them to cater effectively to their target market. One potential drawback is the lack of physical branches, which may be a consideration for those who prefer face-to-face banking. However, they do offer online and telephone customer support. Potential customers should carefully review the terms and conditions of any product before committing, just as they would with any financial institution. Paragon's website offers a wealth of information, and it's worthwhile exploring the resources available to gain a complete understanding of their products and services. In conclusion, Paragon Bank appears to be a viable option for those seeking specialized financial products within their niche areas of expertise. Remember, doing your research is key, so explore their website thoroughly and compare their offerings with other providers to ensure they align with your specific requirements. Whether you're a property developer, landlord, or seeking a specific type of savings account, Paragon Bank could be a valuable resource. Remember to check the description for all the links mentioned, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with Paragon Bank in the comments below.